Hey everyone, welcome back to Crafts with Crashly. Today I'm doing an unboxing. It's not for a diamond painting. This one is very exciting because during the AliExpress sale, the big 11/11 sale, I purchased quite a few things. One of those things being a 50-piece set of polymer clay, and it's the Fimo brand. Woo-hoo! So I've heard about Fimo. It's supposed to be pretty good. I've never tried it. I usually use Sculpey Primo clay, but I wanted to give this a try. I saw it on that sale and I was like, ooh, okay, 50 pieces, heck yeah. Now I did, after the fact, after I ordered it, noticed it said 50 pieces, but there's only 24 colors. So I didn't look too much into it. It was only $10.72. So I jumped on it. So we're going to see. So I purchased it 11/11 and I received it yesterday, so December 2nd. And yeah, I paid $10.72. I'm not sure what store on AliExpress it was, but in the description of this video I will link the link to this, what I purchased. But it's probably not going to be $10.72 because it's not the sale. So I'm really excited. I got my scissors here. Whew, I'm pumped. I've never purchased clay online before. I always purchase it in the store, like Hobby Lobby or Michael's. Oh, I can just do it this way. Oh, I'm excited. Okay. So they have it wrapped in a gigantic bubble wrap. Oh my gosh. It's like in a Bubble Boy bubble. Weird. Ugh. Okay. And then looks like they have a tape right here maybe. There we go. Jeez Louise. Oh, I see. Oh, these are itsy bitsy. Okay, so it has, I don't know what that is. Maybe a cake. Oh, it's a little instructional how to make a cactus. And then here's a cake. Oh, and then it shows you how to make a little bear and a Smurf house, mushroom house. Cute. Okay, and here's the pieces of clay. Okay, so I'm just gonna dump it out. Get rid of the bubble way bag. Oh my gosh! Y'all, look at these colors. Oh, these is so cute. I thought that they would be bigger though. So some of it has a crack in it, which is okay as long as they're not mixed. It doesn't feel too soft or too hard. It's not dry, which is a very good sign. I love this. Okay, let's see how many squares we got. So it's 24 colors is what I should have here. And looks like I have the 25 squares. Now there's 2 whites in there. So I have 25 squares, but there are 24 different colors. And again, the title on the actual products itself said 50-piece set. So it's a little deceiving. I bet there was probably another option for smaller color and then 50 colors maybe. It's still a decent amount of clay, so I'm really excited. Lots of bright colors here. I could totally do a lot with this. I'm going to see if the weights match up. They're supposed to be 20 grams, so let's check that out. Okay, I have my scale here. I'm just going to see if these squares here are actually 20 grams, like it says in the description. So try the red first. Yep, this one is 20. The yellow is only 18. $17. This is really all over the place. 17. That's crazy. So far only one of these colors, well, this one's 19, so we'll say 2 of these colors are the actual weight that it's supposed to be. They gypped me. It's not by a whole lot, but it's just, to me, it's just the principle, I guess. But again, I've never purchased clay online before. You know, they all do look like, good amount of squares. I can make a cute design out of this amount of each color, and it was just kind of a sample pack anyway. So I'm looking forward to diving into some Fimo clay. Like I said, I will link in the description this item on AliExpress, and I will keep you guys updated on how I like Fimo clay. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give it a big old thumbs up, and you can also subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future videos. Again, thank you all so much. Until next time.